Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a file or folder on a MacBook. If it helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. There are 4 easy ways to rename a file or folder. Let's talk about the first one. Open your Finder and go to the location where you have kept your file, for example, this folder. And now I want to rename this folder. So the first method is select the folder and click on the name of the folder. And now it will be editable. Just type the new name, for example, folder 1. And that's it. This is the first method. Now let's talk about the second method. Select the folder, right click on it using your mouse or use 2 fingers on your trackpad, and then select rename from the pop-up window. And now it will be editable. Give it now the new name. Then let's talk about the third method. Select the folder and press Return key on your keyboard. Then the file will be editable. Give it a name. And that's it. And finally, let's talk about the fourth method. Select the file and go to the top left corner's File option and choose Rename. And give it a name too. And that's it. Now you know how to rename a file or folder on a MacBook in 4 different ways. Thanks for watching.